Hello everyone, this is Susmita Mahapatra from DAV Public School MCL Kalinga area. So today we will discuss some practice question and answer of motion chapter. We will divide the session into three parts. Today we will discuss part 1. So the next question. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is the average speed of the object? Okay, this concept is based on the average speed. Okay, very interesting question and very easy also. Okay, an object travels 16 meter in the first 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in the 2 seconds. So here you have to find the total distance and what is the total time. So the total distance covered by an object is how much? 16 plus 16, that is what? 32, it is in meter, and then total time. Time first is 4 seconds, another is 2 seconds. So 4 plus 2, 6 seconds. Okay. Now you have to find the average speed. What is the formula for the average speed? As we have discussed in the class, the average speed is the total distance covered by an object divided by the total time. So total distance covered by object divided by total time. So simply you have to divide 32 divided by 6. So the answer will be 5.33 meter per second. Okay. So this is the answer. So next question. A motorcyclist drives from A to B with a uniform speed of 20 km per hour and returns back with a speed of 15 km per hour. Find the average speed. Okay. Suppose this is a point A and this is a point B. What is given in this question? A motorcyclist or a simple driver. Okay, motorcyclist or driver starting his position from A to B and it covers uniform speed of 20 km per hour. Okay, this is 20 km per hour. Then again, when he returns back from B to A, then he covers 15 km per hour. This is the less kilometer, maybe he faces some traffic. Okay, so due to traffic his speed is decreasing. So he returns back from B to A at the rate of 15 km per hour. So find the average speed. We have to calculate what is the average speed. So how we will calculate this problem? See here we have given the same distance. A motorcyclist cover A to B and then B to A. The distance is same. Okay, the journey of distance is same, but here no time taken is given. Time period is not given. Yes. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate step by step wise, and this is very important question for your annual exam. Okay. So see, we have the same distance. Okay, that point we have to follow. So let the distance covered by motorcyclist from A to B is X. Then again he returned from B to A, that is also X. Then what will happen? The total distance we will calculate, then divided by total time. So this is the distance covered by a motorcyclist from A to B is X. Okay. Then we have to find the time taken. Okay. Time taken by the motorcyclist from A to B. We have to find out the time taken. Then how can we find out the time? As we all know, what is speed equal to what? Distance divided by time. Yes. From this equation you have to find time. Time is equal to what? Distance by speed. Okay. So you have to find distance by speed. A to B. What is the speed? 20 km per hour. Okay. This is 20 km per hour. You will take here X kilometer. Okay. So this is kilometer and it will find X by 20 hour. Next what we will do? Let the distance covered by him from B to A, that is also X kilometer. Yes, this distance from B to this distance A, X kilometer. Then time taken by him from B to A. What is the time period he covered from B to A? Then see, that is also distance by speed, that is 15 km per hour. This is also kilometer. So what is the answer? X by 15 hour. Okay, this is the time period from A to B and this is the time period from B to A. So next we have to find out the average speed. Okay, so average speed, what is the formula? Total distance divided by the total time. Total distance divided by total time, and we have find out the total distance, and we have find out the total distance in total time. So what it is this? X plus x is our total distance, and total time is x by 20 and is x by 15. Okay, now just find out, this is 2x, and what is the LCM? So after find out the LCM, we will get 7 by 60. Okay, this is 7x and the 2x by 7x by 60. So after calculating this fraction, we will get 17.1 kilometer per hour. Okay, so our average speed will 17.1 kilometer per hour. I want to tell you a shortcut method for this question. Okay, you can use this shortcut method in your Olympiads. Okay, but you never use this shortcut method in your final exam. Okay, so shortcut. The formula of average speed in this case is 2uv divided by u plus v. What is u and v? U is the first average speed of the motorcyclist and v is the next average speed of the motorcyclist. So u 2 into here 2 into 20 into 15 divided by 20 plus 15, you will get the same answer as the above. You can check. Next question. Vijay drives a scooter on a straight highway at a uniform rate of 40 km per hour for 1 hour. Okay, then at uniform rate of 50 km per hour for 1 hour. Okay, calculate the average speed of the total journey. Okay, very nice question. See, different types of approaches are there. See here, Vijay travels 40 km per hour in 1 hour and next 50 km per hour in next 1 hour. So what it is given here? It is given the time. Have you noticed? This is given time and here given time. In the previous question, the distance is given, same distance, but here the same time is given. Okay, then we have to find out the calculate the average speed. So let's proceed to our answer. Okay, so he travels 40 km per hour for 1 hour and next uniform rate of 50 km per hour. Then we have to find out first the distance. So distance covered by Vijay in first hour. Okay, so distance covered by Vijay in first hour. How much? As you all know that speed is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Yes or no? Distance is equal to speed into time. So here we have to find out the distance covered by Vijay. So we will calculate speed into time. So speed is 40 km per hour into time. Time is 1 hour. So first 1 hour he covers 40 km. Then next distance travelled by Vijay. The next 1 hour. Distance travelled by Vijay in second hour, that is 50 km per hour into 1 hour. So again 50 km. Now we have to find out the average speed. Okay, so here we will get the distance of first 1 hour and the next distance 50. So find out average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. So what is it? 50 plus 40, this is total distance divided total time is 2 hours. Okay, so find out 90 divided by 2. So that is equal to 45 km per hour. Okay, this is also kilometer and this is also hour. So this is 45 km is the final answer. This is the next question. A car travels first half of the distance between two places at a speed of 40 km per hour. Okay, and the second half at the speed of 60 km per hour. Then calculate the average speed of the car. Okay. This is the another concept based on the average speed. Okay, and this is our last question. A car travels first half of the distance. Okay, suppose this is a point A, this is our point starting point. Okay, this is the ending point. A car travels from this point to this point. Suppose this distance is given by S. Okay, total distance is S, suppose. and the car travel first half. Suppose this is the midpoint and this distance is s by 2, okay, and this distance is s by 2. Total is s. Now a car travel first half of the distance of the speed of 40 km per hour. So here 40 km per hour the car travels from this to this point at the rate of 40 km per hour, and from this to this point 60 km per hour. This is 60 km per hour. Okay, then we have to calculate the average speed. Okay, you can see here, this is a car, first half is 40, then its speed is increasing. See, this another half is 60 km per hour. Okay, so here there is not given the time period. So first we have to calculate the time period, then we can proceed for the speed, average speed. Okay, so the time taken by the car in first half of the distance is, what is the value of distance? So first half is s by 2, and we are calculating here the time taken by the car. So time equal to distance by speed. Speed is how much? 40 km per hour. This is also in kilometer. Okay, solving this, 2 into 40, otherwise s by 80 hour. Likewise, again the time taken by the car in second half of distance equal to, again s by 2 km divided by second half is 60 km per hour. Okay, so while solving this, 2 into 60, so what is this? So this is s by 120 hour. Now we have to find out the average speed. So we know the formula of average speed. Average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. So total distance is our s in total time. So first half is s by 80 and second half is s by 120. As we have solved in the previous slide. This is hour and this is in hour and this is in kilometer. Now by solving this we will get s by 48. So the final answer is 48 km per hour. So the average speed of the car is 48 km per hour. This is the answer. I think it is clear to all of you, and this much is for today. Thank you all of you. Stay safe and take care.